Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Ngayon mag-open tayo ng old sets ng Pokemon. This is actually a Scarlet and Violet, no? Violet EX. So this is an expansion pack ng Violet EX. Kumbaga base set ng Scarlet and Violet. And what we are looking for this set is yung SAR ng Miriam and then SAR ng Coraidon. Ayan. Coraidon, Miraidon. Yan. Dalawa lang silang SAR na titignan natin. And of course, check din natin if there are any alt arts na maganda, no? Worth collecting. Ayan. Let's see. And syempre, it should be 30 pieces. Bilang natin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then sa other side, it should be 15 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Yan last time kasi last upload ko is for Crimson Haze. No? Nag-start tayo dito sa left side. Ngayon, try naman natin dito sa right side. Let's see. Tignan natin kung magiging maganda yung pag-open natin today. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Uy, nice, 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 nice. This is actually an SR. Nice. Okay. Lagay muna natin siya dyan. Ang galing. Start pa lang is SR na agad. And then, this one, check natin. Hopefully, no, makakuha tayo ng SAR. Kahit na may SR na tayo. Okay? One. And the mouse. Blazy. And what's this? Okay. Cool. Okay. One. Growlers. And it's an EX, guys. Nice, may EX. Very first EX for this box. Yay. Yan, nice. And syempre, lagay na rin natin yung isa kanina. Usually, pagka ganyang SR, EX, lalo na dun sa mga first-time collectors, make sure lalagay nyo kagad siya sa penny sleeves. Or, huwag niya siya dediretso sa top loader kasi nasisira yung print niya. So, it should be in the penny sleeves and then sa top loader. Okay, tandem mouse, family. Okay. Okay. Nice. So, common and then mannequin. Okay. Okay. Tignan lang natin makakuha tayo. Sana, no? Sana. Kahit miray doon. Okay. And the mouse. Hondo. Nice! First alt art na na-open natin. This is actually Scyther and what's this? Yeah, it's Scyther lang nakikita ko sa taas. And nice! Uncommon nga lang, Miriam. Hopefully it's a good sign again. It's a good sign, hoping. Good sign, guys. There you go. Medyo tagal ko na rin hindi nag-upload, no? Sorry, guys. Been busy sa hospital. Magneton. This one. And yung dami na talagang bagong Pokemon that I'm not familiar with. Pachirisu. And, okay. Let's see. Busin muna natin lahat na nasa right side para ma-check natin, no? Rotom V. It's Rotom. And this one. And, oh, nice. Or this is just holo. Is this just holo? Oh, okay. It's the evolution of Primate. I think it's Anhilate, something. Hypno. Okay. Can get no satisfaction. Okay. Chansey. It's the grass type tentacle. What's this? Uy. Nice. It's a train professor. And okay. Let's see. Hopefully, makakuha tayo ng Squawkabilly. Okay. Is this drowsy? I think that's drowsy. Tandemos. The evolution of Tandem. Oh, uncommon. Okay. Konti na lang guys from the right side. Let's see. Primate. Setodal. Is it Setodal? Something. Magneton. Pachirisu again. And let's see. Okay. Last 4 packs. Let's see. By the way, all guys, this one is really boxed to. Hindi siya yung loose packs like the Pokemon 151 that I have. No? Huh. Nada. Nada. Okay. Go for this one. Pineco. This is another EX. And then Spiritomb. I think this is the evolution of Magneton. It's Magnezone. Another EX. Come on. EX. Come on, come on, come on. SARPs. Let's see. It's on. Oh, it's Titan. Is it the Titan? Sasabi. Check natin. Houndoom. Houndoom? No, it's Houndour lang. Another spider. And then, okay, Bussy. And Fortress. So far sa right side, we only have how many? Just 2 EX. And then 1 SR and 1 AR. And let's see. Ito na ang left side. Let's see. Left side, left side. Dial. Sit Shepherd. Houndour. Pomni. And another. Kasi yung hirap talaga makakuha ng SAR, no? Sabi nila, let's... Okay. Okay. Another alt art again. Slowpoke. Nice, nice. Nice. I think we're having a good sign na, guys. Okay. Good sign. This is actually good vibes for me. I'm kinda excited. Sana, magkatotoo iniisip ko. It's the Pomni. Pomni. Squawkbet. What's this? Arcanine EX and then Pachirisu. Nice. Nice, nice. Arcanine EX. Okay. There we go. Tignan pa natin. Primate. Slowpoke. Oh, another trainer. Naglalaro ko guys sa Nintendo Switch but I can't really memorize or recall the names. Especially this one, nilalaro ko to sa aking Nintendo Switch. And I have the Sword and Shield. Actually, it's the sword that I have. And they're actually familiar eh. Tandem Mouse. Drowsy. It's just that hindi ko siya maalala. Magnemite. Psychozar. Okay. Serboy, Gengar. See. Konti na lang guys. Asilo. Come on. What's this? Houndoom. Squawkbilly. Let's see. What's this? Oh, it's the EX. Okay. This is our fourth EX, I think. And kota na tayo sa mga EX, guys. What we're looking for right now na lang is SAR, sana. SAR Miriam. And AR. There you go. Pummy. See. Oh, okay. Gawin na natin ang magic. Right. So, isa sa likod. Let's see. Heracross. Come on. Hopefully, guys. Samanki. No, it's not. Okay. Come on, guys. Good vibes, good vibes. Positive mindset. Let's go. One to the front. It's a common. Funny. So to the and no. Okay. But the other one. Huh, this is the electric type. Ano siya na isang trainer sa sword. Yo! It's an AR of a walking tentacle. I forgot his name. I'm so sorry. This grass type Pokemon. Yay. Mm-hmm. Let's see. Ano to kaya? Growlithe, Tandemaus, Magneton, Cetadile, and another Miriam na uncommon. Ito na ba? Please. Miriam, please. Miriam, please. Up. Tandemaus. Okay, it's a slow king. Slow bro, I mean. Okay, Fortress. Come on, guys. Last two packs. Please. Please. Can we have that rare, please? Pineco, Hypno, and the rare Candy na uncommon. Slowpoke. Yes, boy. Uncommon, Spiritomb, and an Ultra Ball. Last pack, guys. Last pack. Let's see. Hiya! Penny. Setdial. Setodel. Houndoom, and an EX. Okay. So, yeah. This is all that we've got from here. So, okay. So, from the left side, we have 2EX, or actually 3EX. And then, 2 Alt Arts. So, this one, and then 3X, 3EX. So, yun lang guys, no? So far, we're not able to get the SAR Miriam, but we have 5EX na usually apat lang. And then, I think this is the hit that we have, no? This SR. Because, wala na iba eh. Ayun lang guys. Thank you for watching my channel. And, next nating bubuksan, I think it's the Paradigm Trigger na. Yan next natin, if I have time. And also, thank you sa nagbenta sa akin ng Greninja EX promo card. I really love this one. Kaya sabi ko nga, ayoko na ng booster pack. It's just this one. Okay na ako. Yun lang guys. Thank you.